Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. So, this is an introductory PPT for your tomorrow lecture, that is lecture 3. In the previous lecture, lecture 1 and lecture 2, we have discussed about the course policy, assessment method, assignments, and the importance of the course. I hope everything is clear how your course is going to be and how the evaluation is taking place. So now, after then, in lecture 2, we have discussed something about the analytical techniques, their uses, application in your respective engineering background. So in tomorrow lectures, we will discuss about the analytical techniques, its definition, types of analytical techniques, and then differentiate between the quantitative and the qualitative analysis. In the different type of analytical techniques, we will go through the wet chemistry methods or the classical methods as well as the modern instrumental techniques, followed by the classification chart of analytical technique on the basis of chemical and the instrumental methods. Different type of instrumental techniques consist of titrimetric techniques, in which the titration or the volumetric analysis we will study about the different type of preparation of standard solution. Then in the chromatographic technique, we have already heard about the TLC, that is thin layer chromatography, but today we will also discuss about the instruments used for doing the chromatographic studies. Then we will proceed with the spectroscopic technique, in which we are going to see how the UV vis, IR and the mass spectroscopy or the NMRs are used for elucidating the structure of the material, followed by electrochemical techniques and then the thermal analysis technique. So these techniques are going to be very useful in your future research program. So we will go through all these techniques one by one. After then, we will discuss how to make a standard solution in a titrometric technique to find the concentration and the amount of the present reagent in the given sample, as well as we will discuss the answers of the quiz which I have given 1 week before, and I hope you have already completed that quiz, because tomorrow is the 30th and the quiz will be end up tomorrow. So go through the content which I have told you for the tomorrow lectures, and we will meet you tomorrow. Thank you.